Today, we'd like to introduce you to Sailrite's newest and most versatile tool, the Cordless Rotary Cutter. Experience cordless power and control with this versatile fabric cutter. Seamlessly cut through multiple layers of fabric and other materials with this high-powered quality fabric cutting tool. It can cut from a single layer of lightweight home fabric up to 1 inch of total material thickness. No cutting mat? No problem. The extra thin base plate glides under the fabric while cutting for seamless ease of use, while also protecting your work surface. The tool's ergonomic shape ensures optimal comfort, and it's safe to use on all fabric types: upholstery, cotton, canvas, denim, webbing, and more. Another great feature of this tool is the built-in sharpening wheel. The trigger-operated sharpening wheel keeps the blade razor sharp for consistent and clean cuts every time. And for your protection, the blade guard pivots down while the cutter is in use. With multiple speed settings, you can cut at your personal comfort level. Adjust the blade speed using the silver button on the handle. The blade speed can be set to 5 levels, from 800 to 1400 RPM. Each click of the button cycles through a different speed. And if you hold this button down, it will turn on the integrated light for better visibility. The Sailrite Cordless Rotary Cutter comes with everything you need to get the most from this tool, including 2 rechargeable lithium-ion battery packs and a replacement sharpening wheel. With no cord holding you back, you can take this cordless rotary cutter with you on the go or for on-site jobs. Its easy portability gives you endless DIY possibilities. Drastically speed up cutting time and boost productivity with this professional cutting tool. If you're interested in this versatile tool, we've linked it down in the description below to make it easy to get yours. Lastly, if you want to see more DIYs, tips, and product demos, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you stay up to date with all of our latest videos.